what's up guys? And today I will be doing a slime video and I will be joined with my friend Jeremiah.
We're going to be making green slime because I got green.
As you can tell, so what you first start off with is some glue.
Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glue, or you can use clear glue for this, but I recommend this glue. There. Okay. And then we add the...
Is it this or the detergent?
This.
I'll add it.
You don't add very much.
You only add like a drop or two.
That's
There
it.
you go.
This is what we're ending out with. Then you take your spoon, mix that good.
Get ready to get it down like that.
As you can tell, we just found something in my room that would work if we held it, so we didn't have to hold it all the time. And it actually is working really good. Okay, now it is green. And then you take some laundry detergent.
It doesn't look like it's really good.
The laundry detergent is the activator.
Turns it all gooey.
You can set it back up. Let me see it. As you can tell, it's starting to turn gooey. You just keep mixing it, and when you think it's not going to stay in your hands, you can pick it up, pull it off the spoon, pick it up. It won't stay in your hands permanently. Just to let you know, it will be sticky. If it's sticky, add a little more laundry detergent. Oh yeah, the laundry detergent you use is Tide. No other type of laundry detergent will work. Just to let you know.
You tried it before?
Yeah.
That's why Tide's the best. Works for this.
And Tide smells awesome. So once it's done, you can smell it. It smells really good. You can set it back up.
Let's set up auto wipe, it'll be fine.
Sorry about the brightness. We can't get the curtains to shut. Just keep kneading it. And by the way, kneading means play with it. If it sticks, just add it. Just add a bit more laundry detergent.
That's like super small.
And then add a tad bit more glue.
Because, why don't you just open the cap a little bit?
Because I don't do it. It comes out too fast. It's sticking.
Get it all to stick together.
And slime's really simple to make. The ingredients, they've raised the price of glue because everyone was buying it. Because people want to make slime. Here, Jeremiah. Feel it. Just play with it.
It's very sticky already, but they don't even form into anything yet. Sure it's not done?
It's not done yet. That's just having you play with it. Tell me how it feels.
It feels very slimy.
Yes, it is. And that's why Tide's the best, is because I've tried.
You'll be able to tell when it's done because you'll be able to turn it into a ball. If you can't, then it's not done yet.
Nope.
Hon,
I will be back. I need to go wash my hands. Jeremiah, you can talk by yourself.
Probably gonna need like a little bit more detergent or slime or something. That's probably what we're gonna need. More detergent or slime. We need more detergent or something.
Okay.
What do we need?
Oh yeah.
What sticks it together anyway?
Oh yeah, I got. I need to fix this.
Whatever sticks at the getter has to work. Oh gosh, the cap fell off. I think the brightness is gonna. Yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, that is a lot better.
Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Take this. Put it on. Twist it. I'm so sorry about the brightness. It is a sunny day. And I know it's not Wednesday, but we're recording it because we want to.
He might make a new schedule doing on Thursdays and Wednesdays.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Change schedule.
You can tell him about yourself. Tell him, like, if you have a
Mhm.
sister or anything else, if you're gonna be starting a YouTube channel one day.
Starting one soon. My dad's gonna start getting me some supplies. That's when I'll start mine.
Oh God, no, no, brightness, brightness.
I don't think the brightness is really a problem, really. It was fine.
Yeah, that's because I had an idea. Come on.
Where is it?
There we go. Is that better? Yeah, that's a lot better.
Oh, yeah, you can see a lot clearer.
Okay, sorry about that. So oh, that's done.
Yeah, sure.
Nope.
Oh, it's very sticky. Try turning it into a ball. When it molds into a ball, it's completed. I don't think it will mold then, not yet.
We still just need to play with it.
Why?
Here, hold this for a second. I gotta go see something.
Very sticky. It's falling down. And plop.
This thumb's done, but it doesn't form into a ball, so I guess it doesn't have to form into a ball.
I don't know how Haley made hers. He made hers really good.
Oh God, it is turning into a ball.
Oh yeah, because you can mold it into them. Gotta stick it all together.
Well, let's try this. Oh, you could tell that's not done just by the feeling.
What do you need to add to this to make it more sticky?
You don't need it to be sticky. You need it to be. If this doesn't work, you guys want to try to make fluffy slime? Leave it in the comment.
Fluffy slime is very different from this one.
Yes, this is regular slime.
Hey Drax, what you doing? I'm joining in the camera.
Don't ask about the keyboard. This is what I have to deal with now to hold up the tablet.
You'll get a real holder soon.
Once I make enough money.
Exactly. We're also saving up for the new game and Wario game.
Wait. Play with it. 400 surgeons with stick into your hand. Yes, it's done.
It just needs to dry for a little bit now, and then it'll be ready. Just gotta let it dry.
And that was the video.
And how to make slime.
Peace.